So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on D on your keyboard. Now you're going to find DNS clients. We're going to scroll down till we find DNS clients, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you're going to look just under that for function discovery provider host. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand system, then you want to expand current control set, then you want to expand services. Now you want to click on the DNS cache folder. We're going to scroll down till we find DNS cache. Here it is. You want to click on the DNS cache folder, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you want to find start. Double click on start. And then once we're here, make sure that in the value data box you have the number 2. If it says any other number other than 2, you want to delete it and then type in the number 2 and then click on OK. And then once you do that, the problem should now be fixed. However, if it's still not fixed, then you just want to restart your computer and then this should now fix your problem.